Okay, I'm going to make a quick video of a 2N 1943 Ford tractor. I'm going to go to the electronics part of it. Alright, so you got your switch right here. You have the battery part right here. And then you got the ignition side of it. Okay, so there's only two you're going to use on this tractor. So let's start running this down. So we're going to run back down to the coil here. So right here on top of the coil, I'll show you the whole coil. Right there is the whole coil, and then you got the distributor down here. But on top of the coil, you follow the orange wire, which I've got ran through here. Runs all the way up. And what it does, it goes to this ceramic resistor on either side. It does it. Doesn't really matter. Jumps that side, and it says battery. Put that on the ignition side. You know it says battery. Okay. And then, so that'll take care of that one, top of the coil. And then we'll jump down to this black wire, you know, which will come to your alternator. You have a number 1 there. You got a number 2. Okay, the number 1 wire, it comes up and around. Again, just follow around. That's going to go straight to your ignition. Okay. So the only 2 wires up from there is the coil through this resistor. You got this resistor, you burn your points and stuff up. And then the number 1 wire for that Molex coming off the alternator, again to the ignition side. Yeah, it's in there somewhere. Got the light. You get part of the ignition there. Anyway, so that's the only thing that runs in. And then the next thing you have is let me get on the other side of the tractor. And you have your starter. Okay. So you get your starter wire, your lead. This one doesn't have a coil on top of it. So right here you have, this has the self push button that you push down to make it want to start. Just push down here, and then when you do, it engages a switch inside of here and makes these 2 hot, and make these 2 right here touch inside the switch and make it hot. And this side of the cable, it doesn't matter what side you put this post on, or from the starter, go on either side. On the other side, this will be your positive side, and it will hook into your positive side of your battery. And let me jump over here and kind of bounce around a little bit. And this side is going to be your ground. So the ground just runs right through the whole chassis, and this will be for your ground. So, and then let me back this up, and this will be for your positive, and that's for the ground. So I'm just going to drop this right back down for right now. So only 1 wire, and this is an important wire. This yellow wire I got right here is hooked for the positive side. You got to have this to make this thing fire, to get fire your spark plugs. Okay, so you hook another short wire going up this way, and again it's going to go through the ignition. This side here hooks into the battery. That's a very important wire, or she will not start. Okay. And then you got a red wire, again, which comes from the battery, which jumps up, which is going to go to your amp meter, or Okay, I'm just going to check your battery conditions. Okay. And then that side is going to go straight to ground, to the chassis, okay? So that's about it. Everything that you see here will make it fire and make it run. Again, this is a 2N 1943 tractor. That's your start and switch. It is a 3-speed in reverse. This camera is not the best far away. It's horrible. But it does great setting up, okay? Anyway, I'll probably put this out here, and I don't know what else. Other than that's your electrical system. And then the number 2 side, which I forgot. Number 2 side basically just loops up around and goes to your positive right here to the battery. Okay, that's it. Just ignore this. This is something I was experimenting with later on going down the road. If I need power, external power from this alternator, just something I was trying. So, but anyway, that'll get you going and make your life easier. All right, talk to you later. Bye.